Alright, this one's called Data to Drive Government Works Campaign. A major infrastructural program about to be rolled out by the government will tap into smart technology and be anchored on a rigorous maintenance regime. Prime Minister Andrew Holness yesterday unveiled the Gleaner Infrastructure Development Program, GIDP, a successor to the Major Infrastructure Development Program, MIDP for acronym, at the opening session of the Caribbean Infrastructural Forum, CARIF 2020 at the AC Marriott Hotel, New Kingston. Holland said that MIDP had run its course and that it would be replaced with a program that integrated more efficiently with existing infrastructure and local users, utilizing smart technology in tracking maintenance and making budgetary projections. Quote unquote, it is quite possible to build into the infrastructure sensors that will give a warning for potential threats, give the ability to put in place proper maintenance plans and the protection for the infrastructure asset, the Prime Minister said. Much touted Lengthman program, which allow work crews in a national cleanup campaign, will also allow for maintenance tools such as machetes, shovels to be outfitted with smart devices. The Prime Minister said that together will be integrated into the planning and maintenance programs for the country's infrastructure. Quote unquote, these lengthmen and women will now be empowered with technology to become wardens of the built and natural environment. That will give us a pool of data from which we can do our data mining and analytics to help drive our budgets and enhance the maintenance and resiliency of the built and natural environment, he said. The Prime Minister then elaborated on GIDP, but Jamaica House source disclosed the details of the new program are being worked out in the aftermath of the recent budget call and expected to be included in the estimates and the expenditure set to be tabled on February 11th. MIDP has been in existence since 2016, has been the main driver of the budgeted infrastructural development in Jamaica, aimed at capital projects including roads, bridges, and drains. CARIF 2020 is an annual infrastructure forum sponsored by the CIBC, First Caribbean Bank, and brings together government and agency actors from across the Caribbean to discuss plans for infrastructural development. All right, end of recording. End of recording. All right, so in a nutshell, that they're going to have a new infrastructural program called the Greater Infrastructure Development Program. All right, that's basically supposed to help with using smart technology and tracking maintenance and making projections. So, amongst other things, it's all right. So, all I can say is that for someone who appreciates the use of technology, this bears watching. So, we just have to see how this plays out. And for everyone, if you read this, just keep your ears to the ground, see how this plays out, and who's going to benefit from it. That's the most important part is who benefits from this. So, with nothing more to say, this is for State of Jamaica and Caribbean. Also, the state, and also check my other YouTube pages, Miles Goodson Farron, Miles of Productions. Okay.